Want to master character animation fast? You've just found your ultimate tool. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your skills, this resource will take your animation game to the next level. Reason 1. Learn professional techniques like squash, stretch, anticipation, and timing with ease. These are the same tricks the pros use to create believable and dynamic characters. Reason 2. You'll be able to build expressive movements that breathe real personality into your characters. No more stiff or lifeless animations. Your characters will jump off the screen with emotion and energy. Reason 3. Master universal animation principles that work across both 2D and 3D workflows. So whether you're animating in Blender, After Effects, or with pencil and paper, the lessons apply to all styles. Packed with visual examples, expert hacks, and step-by-step tutorials, this tool makes learning smooth, intuitive, and actually fun. It's not just theory. You'll be putting your skills into action from the start. Perfect for beginners who want a clear path forward, and just as valuable for seasoned animators wanting to sharpen their techniques and streamline their process. You'll create dynamic, realistic characters that truly stand out. Whether you're working on a game, a film, or a personal storytelling project, ready to take your character animation to the next level? Click the link in the description and start animating like a pro today. Your future animations will thank you.